Imagine a future powered by clean, renewable energy, a future where the wind spins not just turbines, but innovation itself. At Must University, that future is within reach. Our Wind Power Bachelor program is designed to equip you with the knowledge and skills to become a leader in this dynamic field. Located in the heart of Taiwan's technological hub, Must University boasts a prime location. We are close to both the Hsinchu Industrial Area and the renowned Hsinchu Science-Based Industrial Park. This proximity fosters a vibrant learning environment with unparalleled access to industry giants and cutting-edge research facilities. Our program goes beyond theory. You'll gain hands-on experience in our state-of-the-art laboratories, working with industry-standard equipment and leading faculty who are passionate about wind power. Must University is a melting pot of cultures with a thriving international student community. You'll build lifelong friendships and professional networks that transcend borders. Graduates of our program go on to pursue fulfilling careers in various sectors of the wind energy industry, from turbine design and manufacturing to operation and maintenance. The Department of Civil Engineering and Environmental Informatics at Must University is a hub for innovation in sustainable infrastructure and environmental solutions. CENEI offers a range of programs to equip you with the skills to tackle tomorrow's challenges, such as CEACP Bachelor, 2-year bachelor program, CE Marine Bachelor, 2-year bachelor program, as well as CE Master, master program. Ready to get a head start in your career? The CE2+I International program at CENEI connects you with leading local companies for paid internships. The I stands for internship, and Must makes the matching process a breeze. In collaboration with leading local tech and engineering companies, CE2+I provides a unique opportunity to combine your studies with a paid internship. Must University streamlines the process, matching your skills and interests with the perfect company for your practical experience. From harnessing the power of wind to designing sustainable buildings and protecting our oceans, the Department of Civil Engineering and Environmental Informatics equips you with the skills to tackle the world's most pressing challenges. Whether you're passionate about wind power, sustainable construction, maritime engineering, or environmental solutions, Must University has a program to empower you. Visit our website, show Must University website address, or contact our admissions office today to learn more about our Wind Power Bachelor program and the exciting offerings of the Department of Civil Engineering and Environmental Informatics. Together, let's build a sustainable tomorrow. Must University is committed to connecting students with industry leaders to ensure a seamless transition from academics to real-world experience. That's why we're proud to partner with companies like LNA.
At LNA, we're a team of passionate specialists who bring a wealth of experience to sustainable infrastructure development. Our team members are not only seasoned consultants, but also hold esteemed registrations and accreditations across various disciplines. From civil engineers who ensure structural integrity to environmental engineers who prioritize eco-friendly solutions, our team boasts expertise in every aspect of sustainable design and construction. This diverse pool of knowledge allows us to tackle complex projects with innovative and responsible approaches. At LNA, we're at the forefront of sustainable infrastructure development. We design and build projects that are not only functional, but also respect the environment and contribute to a greener future. Following, we present to you some of our featured past projects. Partnering with Must University through the CENI program allows us to tap into a pool of talented and passionate students. We believe in fostering the next generation of engineers who share our commitment to sustainability. The collaboration between Must University and LNA provides students with invaluable opportunities. These internships allow students to apply their theoretical knowledge in a practical setting, gain valuable hands-on experience, and contribute to impactful projects that make a difference. Ready to be a part of the solution? Join us in shaping a greener tomorrow. Together, Must University and LNA are shaping the future of sustainable engineering.